I need a little trim. My hair a bit too long. Sure, miss. And I take a little bit off here. Snip, snip. Don't really cut it, Isabel. I won't. I'm just pretending. And a little bit off here. Snip, snip, snip. There. That look really good. Now it's time to wash your hair. Really? This fun. There we go. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Oh, I forget. Don't move. What is she doing? I got it. What are you going to do with that? It's okay. Just sit back and relax. Okay, but I don't know. There we go. Isabel, that really cold. Sorry. And now I all wet. Don't worry, 'cause I got hairdryer too.